Got some aluminum melting in there. I'm gonna try pouring it into this graphite ingot mold here. I got most of the dross off. There's still a little bit more, but I think I'm about ready to try this. And I'll try to set up the tripod so it can capture it without me having to hold it. Not a lot of aluminum in there. Still super hot. Just gonna put this on the fire brick here and let it cool down. One is super hot. Let's see here. Where is my heat gun? Got my heat gun here. We'll check out the heat. All right, this thing is 1400 degrees right now. This aluminum is cooling down. It's cooling down. The graphite now, it's raised the graphite's temperature up to 400 some degrees. The transfer of energy from the aluminum to the graphite is amazing. And this thing is off the charts hot. I can feel radiant heat coming out of it. I'm gonna move these guys out of the way so they don't start absorbing the heat. I think any of these things are probably, this spoon right here has been sitting next to it and it's 600 degrees. The steel is close to 200. So I shut off the furnace here, and inside it is maintaining at 1200 some degrees. The outside is not very fun to touch, but still quite a bit less. This guy, this crucible now is still close to 1000 degrees. The aluminum is down to 282, and this graphite is starting to slowly cool down. I didn't do it when it was super hot, so it didn't steam off. It should be safe to the touch in the next few seconds. So this is safe to the touch now. This is just from aluminum cans. And my new graphite ingot mold. So I just thought that it might be kind of fun to show how good this refractory is at keeping the heat. This is about a half hour after I turned off the gas and the flame, and this thing is still 1000 degrees in some spots. Hasn't had a flame touching it for half an hour. The crucible has come down considerably. And the graphite mold is about 80 degrees. This is all Fahrenheit, by the way.